gonna make it to drop rainbows?
What?
So you're gonna make that to drop a rainbow?
I'm gonna make this drone drop a rainbow.
Is it gonna be a real rainbow?
It's gonna be the rainbow of those ribbons we just saw
Yeah.
on my toolbox. You think we can do that?
Yeah.
All right, I'm Charles and this is Dominic, and as he was saying, I'm gonna show you how we can make this drone drop a rainbow. Now what you need is a drone that'll do flips. And this is just a little cheap Syma X5SC. The C means it has a camera, but you don't need that. You just need the one that when you push a button it'll go whoop and flip. And I'll show you what we're gonna do. You wanna go do it?
Mhm.
Okay. All right, first you're gonna get one of these Keurig things that seem like they're everywhere. Little disposable cup things, but if you recycle these you can reuse these because they're lightweight. And what we'll do is get a pair of scissors and I'm actually going to come in a little bit lower here and I'll start there and just oh, jagged. I could do a better job of this. Oh, this one's got chocolate in it. Ugh, I might clean that up. I'll make this nice and smooth so it doesn't have sharp edges to catch anything on. I'm also going to wash that out. I'll be back. And then what you want to do is take your Keurig cup and put some hot glue on the bottom. And then take your drone and stick it firmly in the middle. And you want to make sure your props are not going to hit. Wow, 9. Can you tell me the colors?
Yeah.
What colors are they? Wait, what color is this?
Orange.
And this one?
Blue.
And this one?
Blue.
And this one?
Green.
And this one?
Pink.
And this one?
Red.
This one?
Orange.
We got 2 oranges?
Yeah. And we got 2 blues.
And what color is this one?
Rainbow.
What color is this one?
Purple.
Alright, here's what we're going to do.
Hey, Rainbow. We're gonna make a rainbow fall from the drone.
Help me open these up, Annabelle. There's a little piece of tape on there.
Okay. What are these? Ribbons?
Ribbons. Alright, but keep that piece of tape because we'll put it back together. So what we'll do is we'll get a piece, I don't know, what about that long?
No. Yeah.
This long.
This one. This one, right here. Right here. And right here. Gonna go.
No, we need it longer than that.
Can you, hold on, can you come over here? I mean, can you put the piece that you cut over here for
To
me
measure it by?
Yeah.
Alright, now see how I put the piece of tape back on there and keep it from unraveling?
Yeah.
And then we'll put it in the box.
Right here.
Alright. That one. Okay, what we're going to do, we've got 9 pieces of colorful ribbon and we're going to try to roll them up so that they'll fit in the Keurig cup thing and not get all tangled, hopefully.
Was this on here or did you tape it or glue it on here?
You missed that part, Annabelle. I hot glued it on there.
Will it be able to come off?
It should not come off. That's the hope, is that this will, we might have to put some weight on this or something.
Are you talking about?
I'm thinking just roll it up like this to get it nice and together.
It looks so beautiful.
Beautiful and
It looks
rainbowy.
like a rainbow.
All right, now bring the drone into the shot.
Dun, 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 dun,
I
dun,
think
dun,
if we
dun, dun.
just stuff it in there.
Ba, 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 ba.
No, this might crash the drone, but we're gonna see. The theory is when it flips over, it'll fall out. This is definitely gonna fall out. All right, we're gonna try this. All right, can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Okay, we've got the ribbons loaded in the cup on top of the drone. I've been practicing some flips. We're gonna fly this thing up and see if I can flip it. And hopefully the ribbons don't get caught up in the propellers. Here we go.
Hopefully. It's very noisy.
All right, you ready? Can you see the drone?
Yes.
Oh!
What happened?
They flew out before I had a chance to flip. All right, first attempt was a failure because the stuff was not tight enough in the cup. I'm gonna make it tighter and try it again.
Try again.
Second attempt, it flew out last time, so I'm gonna wedge it down in there and hopefully it won't fly out until it's flipping. We'll see. Second attempt. Oh, success.
Can I go get it?
Yes, you may. It didn't unravel like I wanted it to, but it definitely worked. Okay, the first time it didn't fall as good, so now I've got a little weight on the ribbons, a little 1/4 nut. We'll wind that up and put it in the cup and see how it falls. Oh!
Can I go get it?
Yes, you may. Okay, as with drone stuff, ribbons will tangle up with your drone, so don't use an expensive drone and don't fly it over people. But it is fun. As always, thanks for watching.